Hey guys, today we're going to start a project that maybe last probably 2 weeks, and we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves because this is something that's going to be displayed in the hall in May, which is Teacher Appreciation Week. It's in the month of May. So I'm borrowing this idea from somebody that I follow on Instagram, and her name is Cassie Stevens. She's an art teacher, but we're going to use some of her ideas in our class. As you can see, this is a hallway at her school, and what she's done is she's named it the Everyday Superheroes of Johnson Elementary, which is the school where she's the art teacher. But we're going to do the Superheroes of Tusculum View. And basically what we're going to be doing is you're going to pick a teacher that you think does a great job or has done something wonderful for you, or that you just think is an everyday superhero because of the wonderful things that they teach children each day. So as you can see, let's go down. I don't know if we can zoom in on one of these. Now, in this particular instance, in this blog, they have used clay to create their teacher pictures. We're going to do a little bit differently. Here's another post that they did previously, and this one was called Gallery of Gratitude. And you can see in this one that they simply took the picture, the teacher that they wanted to talk about and say great things about, and they drew a picture of him or her. And that's the way we're going to do it, because unfortunately I don't have that super awesome clay for us to do clay portraits. So what we're going to do is I have and am going to be sharing with you a file that has all the teachers' yearbook pictures from last year. So what you can do if you need a reference is to look back at their pictures in the yearbook, and that can help you draw the picture. Like in this particular case, you'll see, you know, this guy has glasses and a tie. She's got glasses. This girl has longer brown hair, short. You'll want it to look like the teacher that you're drawing a picture of. So I thought a reference to what they actually looked like in their yearbook last year might be helpful. I did cut out some templates, which is just a little guide for you to use if you want to put the template down on your paper and draw their head and neck. Because as you can see, I want your page to be completely covered. Do you see how the background is even filled in? And that makes this picture pop and look interesting. If you don't have much color to your picture, it isn't going to stand out. Like this one right here with this blue background looks very nice. This one here has the different colored background. And you also notice that they have put their names, the teachers' names there. And they have written something. See, this one says, I am thankful for Mr. Wilkerson, because when I see him, I think it says he smiles, you're my favorite teacher. I can't exactly read that, but you can see that they've written something nice about each teacher. And ours is going to be similar, just a tiny bit different. We are going to draw the pictures like in this web page, but we are going to, when we get ready to say something kind, we are going to type it. So see, here's one that's typed. Now she has nice frames for hers. I don't know that we'll get to do that, but we'll do something pretty. This one is about the lady named Miss Stevens. So this is what a student has typed about her. Miss Stevens has an entertaining personality. She's loud and crazy and is a crazy art teacher. One of her hobbies is sewing. She is a remarkable teacher. She's also funny. Overall, Miss Stevens is a marvelous, sensational art teacher. And then the person that wrote it, his name is at the bottom. So you can see here, remember they've done theirs in clay. We don't have any clay to do ours, so we'll just be drawing ours. And here's where they've typed up what they want to say about the teacher. Now this might be something like we could do an image of a frame and then type it in the middle. I kind of like that idea since we don't have actual frames. And then we're going to hang them up in the hall the week of Teacher Appreciation, and they're going to look marvelous. Now remember, let's have a look at this one. They've got at least 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences here. If you just say, you know, I like Ms. Martin. She's awesome. Well, that doesn't tell us very much about her. We want to know why you like the teacher that you are choosing. And remember, it doesn't just have to be a teacher. It could be someone in the cafeteria. It could be a custodian. It could be a teacher's assistant. It could be the resource officer. It could be Miss Mary, Miss Martin, anybody in the school. It's not just teachers. So you're going to write some things about that person, and then we're going to hang them up in the hall, and it's going to be awesome. Can't wait. So we're going to start by drawing the pictures today, and after you've got your pictures done, we'll go to the typing. And remember, I've got templates up here, which is just a guide for the head if you want to use it. If you're pretty confident about drawing your person, feel free to jump right in there. But remember, like on this page, your picture needs to take up the whole page, okay?